All right, class. Today we are learning about the letter P. This is our card, and it tells us that P says P, like pan. Repeat after me. P, pan, P. Great. Now we're going to watch the Alpha Friends song about Pippa Pig, who will teach us about the P sound.
Pippa had a party for Porcupine. Panda and Penguin came to dine. Pippa served pizza and pasta too. Pieces of peaches and a pickle stew.
Okay, so remember the second time we put our hands up when we hear words that begin with the P sound.
Pippa had a party for Porcupine. Panda and Penguin came to dine. Pippa served pizza and pasta too. Pieces of peaches and a pickle stew.
Okay, so the last activity I'm going to show you in this video is our foundations writing chart. Remember, we're practicing lowercase p's. Lowercase and uppercase p look almost exactly the same. It just matters what line you start. So in this one, lowercase p is a plain line letter, and it's one of those letters that goes all the way down to the worm line. So I'm going to start at the plain line, go straight down to the worm line, and then trace. Remember, when I say trace, I mean you're keeping your pencil or marker on the page and tracing it back up, so rewriting over where you were. Back up to the plain line, and then curve all the way around to the grass line. And when we finish, remember, just to remind us, it's P, pan, P. So I'm going to do that again for you. Start at the plain line, go straight down to the worm line, trace back up to the plain line, and go around and down to the grass line. P, pan, P. As I finish these, I just want you to watch how I'm continuing to be really aware of my lines. P, pan, P. I'm not going to rush through it because then I'm not going to practice doing my best handwriting. Remember, the goal is never to make as many as you can or go as quickly as you can, P, pan, P, but to make them really nice and careful, because the slower and better you're able to do it, as you practice more and more, you can do these perfect P's or more quickly. But when we're first learning, it's important to take it slow so that they look really nice. So after this video, you're just going to complete the rest of the seesaw pages by going to the Pippa Pig song lyrics, the Pippa Pig poem, and circling words that begin with the P sound. And then on the last page, you're going to write P's on the foundations line. I want you to try it on Seesaw. I know it's tricky to write on there. So if you're not feeling like your P's are your very best work, you could always use the Foundations whiteboard. We call it the fake whiteboard in class, that we use with our whiteboard markers. And I'm not sure if you can see that on here, but I'll kind of show it. It's in a plastic sleeve. It's really, really big lines so that we're really paying attention to each line as we write.